How to make money if you are under 18. Earning money online is a great way to either boost your income, or it can even lead to being able to work from home completely. It is very exciting, and there are plenty of opportunities out there to earn some extra money. However, finding opportunities that are open to people who are under 18 years old can be difficult. We have compiled a list of 10 places with online jobs for teens. If you're wondering how to make money online and you're under 18, then we hope you draw inspiration from our suggestions. YSense, over 16 years old. At YSense, you can get paid for viewing adverts, completing surveys, taking up offers, and completing short tasks, making it a great place to find online jobs for teens. You can choose to upgrade your membership for just $17 a year. Upgrading gives you some fantastic benefits, including more chances to earn cash and a higher referral commission. Get paid via PayPal once your account hits $8 or $6 if you're a premium member. Fiverr, over 13 years old. At Fiverr, you can earn money for just about anything. You create a gig, which includes a service you can provide, perhaps commenting on 10 blogs, creating some business citations for local SEO purposes, advertising on your social media, creating a YouTube video intro, writing a short article. The possibilities are endless. Each gig price starts at $5, making it a great place to earn money online under 18. Fiverr can be a good option for you if you have a special skill set. At the start, you will see lots of competition, but with time, it will be easy for you to earn money. Just focus on some tips and tricks provided by us to get successful, and make sure that you are subscribed. And yes, don't miss out on any of our videos by turning on that bell icon. Global Test Market, over 14 years old. Global Test Market is a survey website that lets you earn market points for completing surveys. These market points can then be used to redeem against a variety of rewards, including Amazon vouchers, PayPal, and even Argos vouchers. You can also earn extra market points for referring your friends. There are also many websites in the online world like this. You are not gonna get rich from apps or sites like this, but you can still earn some really nice pocket money. iPoll, over 14 years old. iPoll is both a smartphone app and a survey website that pays out in a variety of ways. You can complete missions using your smartphone or complete surveys from the comfort of your own home and earn decent cash. And yes, it's a bit different from Global Test Market as it adds up many features which are not available in Global Test Market. Again, both of these apps are not going to make you millionaires, but still you can get some money through gift cards or from PayPal. YouTube. If you love making videos, then this may be the ideal channel for you. You will need to enable monetization and sign up with AdSense. Depending on the viewership your content gets, you will be able to make good money. If you are talented in things like music and comedy, then you can make millions from it. What you have to do is just upload random videos of the stuff you do in your daily routine. Once your channel gets monetized, you will see yourself earning a lot of dollars, and if you attract the sponsors, then you are going to be rich soon. YouTube has a beauty that you can earn from both ways, sponsors and AdSense. All of these ways can pay you more than you think. Try to do something that is a bit different and attractive to others. Voices.com. If you have a speaking voice that is clear and are interested in voiceovers, then you should consider this website. There is no age requirement for this site. Create a profile and upload a voice sample. You can expect to earn no less than $100 per job. There are various membership levels for voice talent, including a youth discount for a child and teen members. This is one of those few jobs that have no specific age restriction or limit. If you are 11 or 12, you are welcome to this website, but you need to have a clear and attractive voice. You can do several jobs on Voices.com and make as much money as you want sitting in your home with no worries. Proofreading and editing. If you are good at spotting grammatical errors, this is the position for you. Some companies will allow you to do some proofreading and editing work even as a teen. Textmaster, Upwork, and Amazon MTurk are great places to look for beginner proofreading and editing jobs. If you are from the US, we especially recommend this job to you. you are going to make a lot with it. It will improve your proofreading skills too. It's one of the most demanded niches on the internet nowadays. Slice the Pie, over 17 years old. Slice the Pie pays you for reviewing music, fashion items, and more, according to Guitar Junkie. Every review needs to be at least 60 words long, with a higher rating given for providing more detailed reviews. Payout is made once you reach $10, around £7, and you can refer friends to boost your earnings. You don't get bored with this website as you review different music and videos. This method of earning for teens might be slow, but one of the most legit ways of earning in the online world. You can withdraw your income through PayPal too. So it's one of those websites which are paying through PayPal. Overall, we recommend you give it a chance, as it can be proved best for some teenagers looking forward to earning money online. Learn a profitable skill. I wish I had started learning a profitable skill when I was younger. The earlier you start, the better. Once you're pretty good at the skill of your choosing, you can start making money from it. If it's a good skill, you can make a lot. Here are some profitable skills to look into. Freelance writing, copywriting, social media management, digital marketing, coding, bookkeeping. A lot of these skills can be learned online for free, so start Googling. We recommend YouTube if you want to learn any of these skills, and know that you are going to be earning on the first day of learning. Have you heard? First you learn, then you earn. This concept is applicable here, so be patient. Make an Etsy store. Etsy is an awesome online marketplace where people primarily sell homemade goods. You can also resell products in their vintage goods and craft supplies categories. Note that if you're under 18, you'll need a parent or guardian to help you create your Etsy store. But once you make your own Etsy store and start selling goods on this platform, you will be amazed to see the results. You can try your luck on many other platforms too, like Amazon, Shopify, and many more, but you still need your parents to help you in creating your online store. Here's some advice. You've got your entire life ahead of you, so you have time to test out different things. Doing this will give you an idea of what you might want to do for the rest of your life. Plus, you may really enjoy something on this list that you thought you would have hated. Or you may be really good at something you thought you would have sucked at. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.